What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Handy Andy here with Alchemic Power, and today we're going to be doing a video about turning this space into a lit patio space. So we're going to be erecting 4 poles and then hanging lights off of them from side to side and turning it into a really sweet vibe out here at the front of a restaurant that I work at. The client I'm doing work for today is the Keg. They are one of my favorite clients. Some of the best steaks I've tasted in my life. I love working for them. We're hoping to turn this space into something beautiful. So let's get it. Hammer drill. Got anchors. That's a nice depth for the anchor. The tape mark right there. We got the shins. We got a 3-foot level. And we have something to crank the anchors down. And we got our hammer. And we got our bashing piece. Anchor that down, put that on top, and then you bash with the hammer, and you don't mess the threads up. I'm just going to let the video play and let the audio just go ASMR on this one. So if you prefer to hear my voice in the background, please leave a comment down below and let me know. If you're interested in the cost of this job or the relative cost of this job, please subscribe to whatever channel you're watching on and send me a direct message. And I would love to get back to you and talk to you about prices for how much this a project like this cost. And enjoy the video. All right, so here's the finished product. The lights in action. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. Please like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.